Why would anyone pay attention to anything? A book, a film, person on stage, something of significance. This is not any old picture, and you know it, because there's a reason I'm showing you this picture. This bird reveals something to you, and it's not superficial. It's something deep, and you can tell, because you're watching, waiting to see what it reveals to you. You see, if you can understand the very reason this bird captivated you, you'll understand the very reason anyone will pay attention to anything. What is it about this that's significant? You can feel it, but you can't see it. It can be a million things. That's what keeps your attention hooked. Is it the bird? The picture? The story behind it? Is it what it was before, or what it will become? Is it what it signifies? Things that are significant. You don't offer it your attention. It demands it. It's not about what the bird actually is. It's about what it means when someone points to it. And every possible significance that you can think of flashes through your mind. They hook you. You can point to anything. And if you capture the significance that you know it represents, people will pay attention. They pay attention because of the very fact that you pointed to it. It was worth showing.